It is no news that a ban was placed on TikTok as well as CapCut. Now, if you don't know, the owner of TikTok company is also the owner of CapCut company. Now, let's talk about how this is going to either help your channel or hurt your channel. Now that the ban has been placed on TikTok, there are a whole lot of creators that make content there and earn money from TikTok, and now all these people are going to try to find other means where they can earn money, which is either by doing YouTube, or Pinterest, or any other platform, even Instagram as well, right? And we know that TikTok is a little bit different from YouTube because TikTok is more focused on short form video. Now, the people on TikTok are mostly used to short form video, but here on YouTube, we do long form and short form as well. One thing that I know for sure is that this news is going to be very, very it's going to be very well taken by YouTube. They are going to be happy by this because it is going to bring a lot of traffic here to YouTube. A lot of people are going to want to migrate from TikTok to YouTube. And we already know that the thing that YouTube prioritizes more is watch hours. Like, they don't even really prioritize your views, your subscribers, even your click-through rate. What they prioritize more is watch hours, because watch hour is what keeps people on this platform. The longer somebody stays on YouTube watching a video, the more watch hours, right? So now these people from TikTok are going to come into YouTube, and their audience would also come as well to watch their video. But the thing is that when it comes to doing YouTube video, there are kind of like strategies that you need to follow, or like TikTok, where it is very easy to grow. You just have to post multiple times, maybe in a day, and you can easily gain traction. Here on YouTube, one thing that is going to happen for sure is that a lot of people are going to repurpose their videos. These people already have so many videos from TikTok, so they will most likely come and repurpose them on YouTube Shorts. Now, I want you as a YouTuber who is already here to not be distracted, right? Because this can make some people really scared that YouTube is going to be overly crowded, which might be, because like I said, a lot of people are going to come into this app, from this period. So when it comes to TikTok, they earn money there, and there is like a budget from different companies that probably pay for ads and other things, and that's where the creators get paid from. Now you're going to ask yourself, where is that money going to go to? Because that money is not just going to go into thin air. There are companies who would still want to spend that money on advertising. So companies like that would want to go to like platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, maybe Facebook, YouTube, right? So it is all going to come here, and the people that are going to mostly benefit from this are the people who are already having a name here on YouTube, right? It's going to be easier for them, unlike people who are just starting, because now, like I said, a lot of competitions, right? So it might be a little more easy for people that already have that following, that community. But don't even be distracted. Don't even give up. Just keep on doing what you know how to do. I know there are people who come here from TikTok and they really don't know anything. There are people who are coming here from TikTok and they really don't know anything about YouTube. One thing I think that you should do if you're someone who is coming from TikTok is to take your time to learn about YouTube. And you should have this in mind, that the money is on long form videos. You can definitely make money from short form videos, but the money is on long form videos. That is where you get the most amount of pay if you are able to put out good content and retain people on your videos. This is like a lesson or a teaching process for you here on YouTube. This is when you need to start thinking about diversity, diversifying, because anything can happen anytime. You can lose your account because of any reason. Now, when you do lose your account, which we are not praying for, or anything happens, what happens to the the following you have, the community that you have brought? That's why you need to think about diversifying. If you have a YouTube page, this is a time you should start thinking of having other other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or whatever. That way you can also take the community that you have here, if you have built a community, to that place, so that if anything happens, maybe you lose your, your account or anything, you can easily, send a message, pass a message to your community, and they can easily find you on the new platform or the new accounts that you have. There are people who have been making a lot of money from TikTok, and now they're like, where am I going to start from? Now this is where having your own, digital product comes in. If you have anything that you can sell, you can actually come up with digital products that you can sell here on YouTube, and also, have like a website where you can take people to. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, because you never know what would happen. So it is so sad that TikTok and CapCut has been banned. CapCut is something that a lot of people use. It is a tool that is very easy for editing, and now it has been banned. But there are other options that you can look at. There's InShot. There are a whole lot of other amazing editing tools, which I'm going to be putting on the screen for you to see, that you can use if you're looking for alternatives. In case you are wondering, this ban was only placed on US. So if you are if you are a viewer from US, you already probably have heard about this, and you're probably looking for ways to, find other means to edit your videos, to, start creating content. YouTube is a great place where you can create content, but make sure that you're learning, make sure that you're knowing, taking your time to know the right way to post and attract and get a community, because having a community is the best way to grow here on YouTube. And for those who are already here, especially the small ones that are panicking, that you might feel, oh, it's going to be overly crowded. So one thing that I know for sure, it is going to be crowded. It is going to be definitely crowded. But if you are putting out good content, you will definitely be seen. And another thing is that I know that a lot of people that are coming from TikTok will not be able to last. They can't last here, because not everybody have the patience to create long form videos, good content, So a lot of them might not last, but definitely there are people who would come here and be able to adapt. I also know there are some TikTokers that have also been on YouTube for a while. Since this news came out, there are those that were smart enough to, try and diversify into other applications. And, it's just so funny that this happened. Now, if you're one of the people who have just recently migrated from TikTok and you're watching this video, please let me know in the comment section, and let me know how it is going for you. Has it been an easy journey? Are you transitioning in an easy way? Let me know in the comment section. And also, I have a lot of videos where you can learn how to grow here on YouTube and know how to post the right way to be able to optimize your growth, right? So if you're looking to grow here on YouTube, you can check my videos, and I hope they're of help to you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.